Hey everyone, so in this episode I will let you be part of my battle with the mountains and the alpine crossing on my touring bike. So let's get right into it. Hey, today I decided to take a rest day, so I was camping and I wanted to check out the route for the Alp crossing because I accidentally stopped the recording at that point. But what I wanted to say is that I have a great respect for what lies ahead of me and the efforts involved. I left my bike at a campsite that day and took public transport to the starting point of the alpine crossing to go for a hike and check out the circumstances. As you can see from the pictures, the conditions were not too bad. However, there are still 1000 meters missing to the summit, and that looked like this at the time. The weather forecast was good though, so I decided to continue the next day. Feels a little spooky. I mean, the way here felt a little spooky because it's so empty. So all the summer things are still closed, like all the cable cars and everything, and obviously winter tourism is also gone. So it's like this transition time where there's neither. The main road was still closed. However, there was an alternative route for bicycles that led through the forest. I rode up the last meters and pitched my tent on the side of the road. It was also much colder here than further down, and I had to pull out my sleeping bag way earlier than usual. Hi, so I run into a little issue now. The actual way I wanted to take this one is currently still blocked due to snow at the top. And there is an alternative one, this one here, but it's also currently blocked due to woodworking activities. Which kind of sucks because I'm already up here and I will wait here a little bit, and there's also a number, so I will try to call this guy and ask if there's any possibility to cross. And I can hear chainsaws already, so maybe I will wait, maybe they will come back for a break or something, and then I will ask them. My box. On the previous day, some road cyclists were cycling on the main road even though it was closed. I decided to wait until I could ask someone what the conditions were like up there instead of turning around directly. And so I waited, around 50 minutes, until someone was cycling up the street. Hallo, wissen Sie, kommen wir auf der anderen Seite wieder runter auch normal?
Also rauf kommt man auf alle Fälle. Also hinten sind maximal 2 Schneepassagen.
Okay. Danke.
If I hadn't been able to ask anyone what it looked like further up, I would of course have turned around, even though I had already come so far. On the other hand, I
want to see mountains again. Mountains, Gandalf!
As everyone knows, there are two things you have to do immediately when you encounter snow. Number 1, make a snow angel. Yeah, I accidentally chose the wrong camera mode. Number 2, build a snowman. After I had fulfilled my duty, I started pedaling again. Meter by meter, I continued my way up. I had been on the road for about 2.5 hours already. With every meter, the landscape also seemed to change.
That might also be a reason why the street is not opened yet. It's not finished, at least here, and I have to push. Last 180 meters in altitude. Let's go.
top after like 4.5 hours or 5 hours, I don't know anymore. I mean, I was also filming and doing some stuff, but still I'm happy that I made it now, and that's the most altitude I ever did in my life, and of course also on this trip, and I'm happy to have reached the top now. And I will take a break now, maybe make some coffee or eat something, and then the other side is then Tyrol, and from there on it's yeah, down to the valley and easy kilometers today. Peace. So I drove down now the Tyrol valley pretty fast because I had to eat something, and you can see maybe still there's some here's my eyes from the wind that just came out of this tunnel. Okay, it's not visible anymore, but check out that castle, looks nice. I will completely descend now to Landeck, where I got a spot for sleeping tonight, and I'm looking forward to arriving there.